Hello, good morning students. Myself is Kanti sir, teaching mathematics in 10th English medium. On today's, we are going to start a new topic in our current lesson, surface area and volume. So far, we studied surface area of combined shapes, means combined solids, volume of combined solids, and conversion of one solid to another solid. Now, next topic is frustum of cone. First of all, cone you know. What is the cone? That's it you know. What is the word frustum? Frustum is nothing but a cut-off part. Cut-off part. So that is the cut-off part of cone. So it is called frustum of cone. So this is cone. This is called frustum of cone. Okay. This is removed from one part, means top part is removed from cone. So whatever left is called frustum of cone. So that is actually lower part of cone. And you can notice here, instead of one radius, here are two radii, bigger and smaller. Bigger radius is generally symbolized as R1 and smaller radius is symbolized as R2. Height just like cone H and slant height also by L. Now, many shapes you came across in day-to-day life of frustum of cone. Drinking glass, bucket, some caps are of this shape. Okay. Now, how to remember formula? I am not saying how to derive formula. I is just saying how to remember formula from cone. Okay, so this is frustum of cone. So for frustum of cone, we just try to remember formula and relate both shapes different formula. So now L is given here. So here is L is equal to H square plus R square for cone. Now you want here again L. Whenever area is needed, at that time you must have L. So now instead of R, we have to accommodate here two R's. Why? Two radii. So both should be there. If both are not included, that doesn't mean we really taking cone, frustum of cone. Okay. So here instead of writing R, I have to write both R. Okay, H square plus, instead of R I am writing something. What is that something? Square is as it is. So I have to take difference of both ones. Difference of both radius. R1 is bigger. So we have to write R1 minus R2. So that way you understand, that way you memorize the formula. Okay, from cone to frustum of cone. So instead of R, I written here difference of R. Now, comment here, CSA. So CSA equal to pi LR or pi RL. I purposely written here pi LR. So here also instead of R, I have to write something. Okay, so instead of R, I have to write something. What? Here we take difference of both radius. Here we take sum of both radius. Addition of both radius. So it will be R1 plus R2. Okay, so here is a sum of both radius. Here is difference. Okay, so you just relate that way. Now, from CSA to TSA, what we add here? Just one circular base. One circular base is there, not second one. But here, instead of one, two circular bases are there. Okay. So, here we have to write, first of all, CSA, then plus one base plus another base. Both bases are circular, so pi r square should be there, and there is a pi r2 square. Okay, so just like that, here CSA plus one circular base, here CSA plus area of two circular badges. Now volume. Here is 1 by 3 pi r square h. Here I am not replacing r but whole r square. So instead of r square I have to write something. Okay. So I first of all write remaining both variable or constant pi and variable h. Now instead of r square I have to write something. Not instead of r. Here r is replaced. Here whole r square is being replaced. Okay. So now what I have to write? Instead of r, both r should be included. So r1 square, because in place of r square we have to write square, plus r2 square, just like this, r1 plus r2. Here r1 square plus r2 square, but remember one extra term, r1 into r2. Okay, not r1 plus r2, r1 r2. So this way, if you remember, then after relating both shapes formula, there is this clear relation. We just remove r and we input both r's. Okay, here r is replaced by difference of both r's. Here r is replaced by sum of both r's. That is simple only. I think no comparison is required. And here r square is replaced by both r1 as well as r2 square, and then product of both. Not 2r1 r2. Otherwise you can write whole square, but not 2 here, only r1 r2. Okay. Now another things. Here area meaning is either CSA or TSA. Here sometimes area asks in that way so that it may not be CSA, not TSA. How? Suppose I want to make a bucket. So obviously I have to find area, but what area? CSA or TSA? Curved surface area or total surface area? Not CSA, not TSA. Why? Because bucket. This, if you invert this shape, then it will be bucket. So here is curved surface area as well as this smaller bottom should be included. If you make it upright down, then it will be bucket. So at that time we have to take this pi L R1 plus R2 and then pi R2 square only, not this one. Okay. So sometime you have to use that extra formula, but that is not new, not to remember just. So that area means whenever we are going to make it. Okay. So material required. So at that time you have to take pi L R1 plus R2 plus pi R2 square only, not pi R1 square, because always smaller end or narrower end is closed. Broad end is always open. Again, narrow end in drinking glass or in bucket or in cap. In all shape, mostly narrow base is closed and broad base is open. So not include pi R1 square. So that is in between CS and TS. More than CS or less than TS. Because you understand? So sometimes you just remember, whenever this formula used, whenever they are asking us how much material is used. Okay. So you just understand this new formula. We have not included this step in the first lecture of this lesson. Okay. But today we just derive or try to remember or try to relate formula of cone with formula of frustum of cone. Now look at next exercise 13.4 and first question. In first one, look whatever given. So 13.4, a drinking glass is in the shape of a frustum of cone. We know, we just discussed it. Of height 14 centimeter, diameter of its two circular ends are 4 and 2. Find the capacity of the glass. Capacity means you have to find volume. Okay, so we have to find volume here. What is given? First of all, make list. Height is given 14. Okay, R1, bigger radius is given 4 and 2, sorry, it is diameter. So 4 by 2, 2 centimeter, and R2 is 2 by 2, 1 centimeter. What is asked? V. Capacity means nothing but a volume. You can convert your volume in liter also, but not compulsory. If they have asked how many liter or how many milliliter, then only we are bound to convert this volume into liter. But here not specified, so we can give our answer in centimeter cube also. Okay. Now look here. I just placing volumes formula. So volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi h r1 square plus r2 square plus r1 r2. Values we have to take 22 by 7 only. So 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into height is 40. Here r1 square, so it is 2 square, r2 1 square, and here is 2 multiply 1. r1 r2 means r1 into r2, r1 multiply r2. Now just simplify it. 7 to the 14, so it is 20 to the 44 upon 3. Okay. Now it is 4 plus 1 plus 2. 2 square 4, 1 square 1, 2 1 is 2. So 44 upon 3 into 7. Okay. Just multiply it. So 7 4 is 28, 2. 28 plus 2, 30 upon 3. Okay. Now denote 3 is given. Is denominator having 3, 7, 11 like factor? At that time we should not convert it into decimal. Just keep it in fraction only. Otherwise you can convert in mixed fraction also. Here is 3 1s are 3, 0, 3 2s are 6. So 102 into 3. Obviously it is 306 left 2. Okay. You can just divide 308 by 3. How to convert it into mixed fraction? 3 1s are 3. 1 0 come, but it is less than 3, so place extra 0 and then bring here 8. So 3 2s are 6. Don't go in point. So 102 as an integer and 2 by 3 left, that is fraction. Centimeter cube. It is a very short sum. Just we place our values and simplify an answer. We converted the fraction into mixed fraction. Okay, so you understand? But here main thing is formula. Most of students either forget or mix up formula of first term of cone because they are passing this formula first time. This is totally new step. So remember formula anyway by writing practice, or anyway you just learn whole formula properly. Okay. Now number 2. In number 2, look, something else is given. Here no need to draw figure because one single step is given, no combined step is there. Okay. So you just prepare a list of all measurements. Now number 2. Slant height of a frustum of cone is 4. Slant height is given. And perimeter of its circular ends are given. Find the curved surface area of the frustum. For curved surface area we must have R1, R2 and L. R1, R2 and L. Okay. So here you just I writing that formula. Curved surface area is asked. So CSA equal to pi R1 plus R2, otherwise pi L R1 plus R2. So we must have L, R1 and R2, but they have not given R1 and R2. Instead, they have given circumference. So here is two ways. Either you find first of all R1 and R2 from circumference formula. Otherwise, if you don't want to find individually R1 and R2, then you have one another idea. I just giving you. I take pi inside of that. So outside L left only, so it is pi R1 plus pi R2. I just shifted pi inside of bracket. Now, if I get here 2 pi R, then I can place circumference in place of that. So I just multiply and divide by 2. So I just multiply and divide by 2. I divided, now I multiply also directly inside of bracket. So it becomes 2 pi r1 plus 2 pi r2. Okay, so here it becomes C1 plus C2, means circumference 1 plus circumference 2. So you can remember this formula also, no need to derive here, that step not compulsory to show here. Directly you can write this formula also. Okay, but even then how I derive it in term of circumference, just remember I that shifted pi inside of bracket, so both terms are multiplied by pi, then I multiply by 2, but I cannot multiply by 2 only, I have to divide by 2 also. So I divide by 2 also and multiply, so I can get here circumference term. Now look at what we are given. We are given slant height C1 and C2, all three required parameters now. What is, how much it is? 4 centimeters. Slant height is 4 centimeters. Circumferences are 18 and 6. So just place it. Now it becomes very simple. Okay. So it is 4 by 2, 18 plus 6. Okay. So it is 2, 4 by 2, 2, and 18 plus 6, 24. So 24 into 2, 48. Answer is given in centimeters, so square centimeter or centimeter square. That is our answer. Okay. So new formula, as a new formula, otherwise just understand how symbol of circumference I got in the formula of CSF frustum of cone. Otherwise, you can find, if you want to use original formula, then you can find this way also. 2 pi r1 equal to 80. So you can find r1, then r2, and after finding r1 and r2, you can use original formula also. Okay, but it become quite long. This is quite short. Okay, so that way you will remember. Now look at number 3. A face cap used by Turk is shaped like the frustum of cone. Face is a name of particular cap. In Turk, means in Turkestan, it may be used. So that peoples are known as Turk. Okay, if its radius on the open side is 10 centimeter, means broader radius R1 is 10. Upper base is 4. So R2 is 4. Okay, radius directly given, slant height given 15. Find the area of material used for making it. We just discussed. Whenever we want to find material use, at that time we have to use that formula. CSA plus narrow base, not broad. Not CSA, not TSA, but that is formula is in between both. CSA plus area of narrow base. Okay, so before writing that formula, okay, I am talking about question number 3. Just read it. Material, how much material should be used, that we have to find. So first of all, write down all parameters that is given. So R1 given, R2 given, and slant height given. Okay. Now, material required or material used. So area of material used equal to pi L R1 plus R2. That is nothing but a CS plus only smaller base or narrower base only. Narrower means R2, not pi R1 square. We are not writing TSA all, but less than, something less than TSA. Now place value. Now only pi is common, so I don't think there is a necessity to take common. Directly you can place here value. If you want, you can take pi common also. But except pi, nothing is common. So I am not taking pi common. Now I just placing all values. So 22 by 7 into 15 into R1 plus R2 10 plus 4 plus 22 by 7 into 4 into 4. Okay, 4 square. We generally write 2 times instead of square. Now it becomes 22 by 7 into 15 into 14. Now it becomes 22 by 7 into 16. Okay. Now 7 to the 14. Okay. So it is 15 to the 30. So 23 is the 66, 10 extra. Okay. You just verify it. And this is 22 into 16 because it is not divisible by 7. So cancellation not possible. So 16 to the 32 and again 30. So 2, 5, 3. So it becomes 3, 5, 2 divided by 7. Okay. Now take LCM. So 7 is a LCM. So it becomes 7 into 0, 7 6 are 42, 4 7 6 are 42, plus 4 46, plus 3 5 2. So it will becomes 2, 2 plus 5 7, 6 plus 3 9, 4 and 7. Okay, so this is simplest fraction. Now I just told whenever there is a 3 or 7 in the denominator, at that time you have to convert that part into mixed fraction. So it is 4 9 7 2 divided by 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 7 1s are 7. 2 left. But last digit division not possible, so I place 0. Now don't go in decimal. So 710 as an integer and 2 by 7 is left. Okay, so that is our final answer, and unit is centimeter square because it is area. Material use means always area. Okay, so here also just remember that formula when it is used. Whenever material, how much material is required, how much material should be used, that we have to find at that time. Something less than TSA is used or something more than CSA is, but in between CSA and TSA, that formula you have to remember. CSA plus area of narrow circular base. Now pi is taken common, otherwise you can place value directly. I just place value directly and just simplify. We got answer 710 integer 2 by 7 centimeter square. Okay. Now I just give you one sum in which you have to find all parameters required. So R1 is equal to 10 centimeter, R2 equal to 4 centimeter. Okay. Height equal to 8 centimeter. So these three parameters are given. R1 10, R2 4. Height 8. L is not given. But what you have to find? This is for frustum of cone. So find CSA of frustum of cone, then TSA of frustum of cone, volume of frustum of cone, and suppose that is only a vessel, how much material is used? So that 4 answer you have to find, and before starting you have to find L also. So 5 answers should be there. First L, because without L you cannot find CSA or TSA or this one also. Okay, and volume is extra. Okay, so in a one sum, I think all topics are covered. So find it properly. Pi is 22/7 because I am not giving pi. So you understand it is, sorry, I give pi 3.14. 3.14. Okay, so use that one also. Okay, so you just practice this one sum, all sub question, and try to get answer properly. Okay, I will give you answer of all this in tomorrow's lecture. Okay, so that all concepts of frustum of cone can be covered.